talking about a few ways you can make money as a teenager in 2022. Disclaimer, these all may not work. So the first is surveys. So several paid surveys sites allow teens aged 13 and older to become members. At this age, you've already got many opinions that are worth something. Completing surveys is also one of the easiest ways to earn extra cash as it requires no previous experience. So next is completing gigs on Fiverr. So you can sign up for Fiverr starting at age 13 like the surveys. So this platform offers hundreds of jobs that you can provide for $5 or more. For example, on Fiverr, you can offer voiceovers, freelance writing, web design, logo design, translation services, illustrations, video editing, music lessons, coding, gaming, and more. The next is starting a YouTube channel. So if you like to record videos of yourself doing stuff like singing, playing a musical instrument, reviewing a product, or creating anything, YouTubing could be for you. You don't need to go viral with all your videos. A few thousand views here and there could make you money. Just don't forget to turn on Google AdSense for the money making part. The next is selling crafts on Etsy. So you can sell crafts online on platforms like Etsy. Things that sell well on Etsy include arts and crafts, personal care items, woodwork, home decor, posters, and more. Teens can enjoy Etsy starting at age 13, like majority of the other things, but only if their parents are involved. The next one is rating music for money. So reviewing music on Slice the Pie and other sorts of music websites and apps can get you paid. It is not just the music, but the site also offers reviewers opportunities to provide feedback on clothing and accessories. Your review helps upcoming artists and fashion designers to improve their music or products. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal starting at $10. And next is installing an app. So installing money-making apps is one way to make money as a teen. These apps track your internet usage on the device they are installed on and reward you for it. Read their fine print to be sure you are comfortable with the data being collected and how it is used. Examples include Mobile Expression. Get a $5 Amazon gift card after keeping it installed for 7 days. You must be at least 18 years of age though. And another one is Survey Savvy. Install Savvy Connect on your smartphone, desktop, or tablet to earn $5 per device each month. But you have to be at least 14 years or older. The final one is becoming an Instagram influencer. So like YouTube, us teens can also become influencers on Instagram and make money with sponsored reviews, posts, and affiliate marketing. You can join a platform starting at age 13. The size of your follower base matters for this gig as advertisers want to see a real engagement with their promotions and adverts. While an Instagram influencer job is not for everybody, you could break out of the pack. You could potentially get paid between $100 and $1,000 per post. So that's actually it for the video today. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe as it means a lot. And remember, all of these may not work for everybody. You gotta find what's right for you. So yeah, subscribe. Have a great day.